Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a reading for Gemini. Gemini, this is your reading for September 2021. We're going to take a look at your work and finance and your love energy for the month of September 2021. I'm using two tarot decks today. I'm using my Tarot Grand Luxe tarot deck for the your work and finance, and I'm using the This Might Hurt tarot deck for your love and romance. For time's sake, I've already meditated and shuffled and pulled your cards. All of these cards are read in the upright position, so let's get started. So for your work and finance, the bottom of the deck is the moon card. So you got the moon at the bottom. So there's some uncertainty there, some anxiety. What's going on with work and finances? You have the Fool, and you have the Four of Cups. You have the Eight of Swords, and finally you have the Five of Swords. So what I see here is you're probably in a situation where you feel trapped. Your work environment is probably not a good one. There's fighting and lots of competition, and you feel trapped. This, says to me maybe a toxic work environment going on there for you. And there's also boredom, and you're just kind of done with it and you want something new. But when you look at the Eight of Swords along with the bottom of the deck, you had that moon, you kind of feel stuck. You feel like, you've been here for so long and this pays the bills. And so you put up with all of this that's going on, and you put up with the boredom, and you put up with the fighting. But I believe the message here for this month is to tell you to, channel the energy of the Fool. Get out of your comfort zone. Come out of your comfort zone with this Eight of Swords and go ahead and make a new life for you. Don't be afraid. Just go for it. Leave this moon energy behind and just go for it, because the situation that you're in right now is just, I don't see it as a financial situation. I see this strictly as a work situation, a toxic work environment. So you need to let the fear go. You're not trapped. No one has control of your destiny, except for you and a higher power. But not the people surrounding you. So I think the message of this is just go ahead, get out of your comfort zone and just go for it and get out of that environment. And hopefully this is what's going to be happening for a lot of you Geminis for the month of September 2021. All right, so let's take a look at your love and romance. So the bottom of the deck for love and romance is the Seven of Wands. Some sort of, so you're defending yourself from others. Let's see why. So you have the Fool again. Major message for you for the month of September, Gemini. You got the Fool for work and finances. Now you're getting it again for love and romance. You got the Two of Pentacles. Sorry. The Ace of Cups and Judgment. So this is a unique one. So for some reason you are on the defense from others. So some of you may be resurrecting a romantic relationship from someone from the past, from your past. And this is not going over well with others. Others may look at you as you are being reckless and you are being foolish because maybe this person kind of juggled you in the past, juggled you and another person. Maybe the reason why there's all this judgment is because this person in the past kind of maybe did you wrong, didn't make time for you, put other things ahead of you. It didn't necessarily mean that they were cheating on you, but maybe just didn't, you weren't the priority in the past. But, people change and things change, and so a new love romance has sparked between the two of you, but other people, they do not like it. You got the Seven of Wands at the bottom. They don't like it, and you're defending your decision. And your decision is really your business. If someone is not abusing you horribly, hitting you and doing different things like that, it's your business. And people need to mind their own business when it comes to others' love life. You love who you love. And sometimes people deserve a second chance. Not saying yay or nay, but you are very defensive about it. You're willing to do it. And again, some people see you as being foolish, and maybe you even see your own self as like, oh, am I being dumb? But I'm just going to go for it. Am I being foolish? I don't care. I'm just going to go for this. So that's what's going on for some of you. As far as your love and romance, Gemini, during the month of September, you're going to find yourself on the defense because you're resurrecting a romantic situation with someone from the past who maybe, it didn't go over well the first time, but that's okay. You're willing to take a chance and make it happen this time. So good luck with that. Thank you, Gemini.